welcome to Professor SNAB, where we aim to make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we're looking at knowing the basic structure of an amino acid, understanding the formation of polypeptides and proteins, understanding the significance of a protein's primary structure in determining its three-dimensional structure and properties, and finally the molecular structure of a globular protein and a fibrous protein, and understanding how their structures relate to their functions. So proteins are made of amino acid. The general structure of all amino acids is a central carbon with bonds with an amine group, a carboxylic group, and hydrogen atom, and an R group. The R group is what differentiates the amino acid as it is unique to different amino acids. So what is the peptide bond? So the peptide bond forms between amino acids. Peptide bonds are covalent bonds, and it is a bond that forms because of a condensation reaction where a water molecule is lost. This bond forms between the carbon atoms of the first amino acid and the nitrogen atom of the second amino acid. When two amino acids join, the result is a dipeptide. When more than two amino acids join, you get a polypeptide, where poly means multiple. The addition of water can break the peptide bonds, breaking down polypeptide into amino acids, and this process is known as hydrolysis. So tertiary and quaternary proteins can be described as either globular or fibrous proteins. Globular proteins have round structures. The hydrophobic parts of the protein face inwards, while the hydrophilic parts are arranged around the external surface. So if you remember, the hydrophobic parts are the tails of the polypeptides, and the hydrophilic parts is the head of the polypeptide. And if you want a more detailed video on the cell membrane, then there's already a video posted, so do check it out. And this structure also makes it soluble as the hydrophilic parts are on the outer surface. So globular proteins often have metabolic roles in the human body. Enzymes are globular proteins as their round shapes can alter to fit the active site and ensure efficiency of enzymes. Transport proteins are also globular proteins so that they can cross cell membranes. Messenger proteins are also globular proteins, and an example of such is insulin. So now we're looking at a specific example. So in this case, it's hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is made of 4 globular subunits. It is a quaternary protein, and it is made of 4 tertiary globular subunits, out of which 2 are alpha chains, while 2 are beta chains. Each of these globular units are covalently bonded to heme. Heme contains iron, which is what oxygen binds to, and hemoglobin is considered a conjugated protein as it is a protein that is associated with non-protein structures. So now we're looking at the second type, which is fibrous proteins. So fibrous proteins are long chains. They are made of amino acid sequences that are a result of polypeptide chains. These chains twist together to form fibrous proteins. The hydrophobic parts of the polypeptide chains are not folded away, therefore the fibrous proteins are not soluble in water. Structural proteins are often fibrous proteins, and they help with support and protect tissues. And examples of fibrous proteins are keratin and collagen. So collagen is a strong protein as the proteins in collagen are joined together by hydrogen and covalent bonds. Collagen fibers provide support and tensile strength to many structures, and it is present in the body as fibers and provides support and tensile strength to many structures. So that is all from Professor SNAB today. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I will get back to them as soon as possible. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.